Happy Friday, good people. It's Nicolasa, and I'm coming to you from Atlanta, actually from Georgia, but we did make it safely about 2 days ago, and so right now we're actually unpacking our U-Haul, and we're in an Airbnb for a month until our home is ready. We drove by it yesterday and just extended our hand to God and thanked Him for everything. Hope that you are remaining safe and secure during this crazy time, and just remember, this too shall pass. All right. I did order a Appunto, Gillio Appunto, back when I was in Buffalo, and I knew it was coming from Switzerland or international, so I had it shipped to my brother. And because of the international stuff, I know it went through New York City. I did had my brother spray my box with Lysol, just as a precaution. So actually the outside box. Forgive me for sniffles. My allergies are picking up down here. There's a lot of pollen. All right. So you guys, I ordered this just because I am a hoarder of planners. Look at that. I don't need this. It's not my size. I literally ordered it because I had to have this color. I had to touch this color. I had to see this color in person. Because I did have the blush Croco before, but I never had the Lotus, and I couldn't get my hands on one. So when I saw it on Marketplace, it had to become mine. I do have this listed, and that's simply because, as I stated, I am not in this size. I really am in an A6, and otherwise I use a personal for like planning or events or whatever. But the main thing is I'm definitely not in the slim. The slim Appunto is beautiful. This is new. You will see like a little mark or something like that. And that's because really with the lighter colors, they're known for showing a little variation in the leather. I don't want to say marks. I don't want to say, there's something wrong, because it isn't. This is variation in the leather. This particular piece is very textured. I'm going to like zoom in. I love it. So another reason why I had to have this. As you can see, when you get on the inside, and this came with a lovely week's book. She included a week's book. The person who sold it to me was definitely a sweetheart. She also sent me some candies from Switzerland to wear, to which the kids have devoured. This is the certificate of authenticity. Comes with most Gillios, if I'm not mistaken, when you buy them. And then, of course, this is like the care card, or a little bit about the company itself. And then, like I said, like you can see variation. You see that? Like, that's not dirt. That's not something wrong with it. That's just variation in the leather. You can see this pocket has a lot of texture. So you have your pocket over here. You have, I think it's 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 credit card slots. And then one like kind of slip pocket at the bottom. Your logo. Love it, love it. I did take those nails off because when I was packing and moving, they just kept breaking, so take them off. Again, here we have your slip pocket to put your weeks in if you wanted to put the front cover in there. Most people don't use that. They just kind of use that for other things, and then they just slip it in here in this one. This one is a fake pocket. It looks like a pocket from afar, like you have two, but this is really just the seal for the cards here. You have your zipper piece, which is, fairly decent size. And you guys, I don't have my tripod with me right now. It's still packed, so please forgive me. And then here, your slip pocket for anything else, and your elasticized pen loop, which right there, okay? And then, of course, this is the protector, the popper protector. This is page finders. These are page finders. A lot of people don't use these. They tuck them like in there, or they just figure out how to use them, but they don't use the page finders. Here on the back, just your regular Gillio Appunto, nothing major. So the thing is, like I said, I am not going to be keeping this. This is on buy sell trade right now for sale, because I did find my unicorn planner, and that's what I'm after. But I do love the Appunto. The thing is, though, I love the A6 size Appunto. I use it as a wallet. This one, if you're using it as a planner, I like the week size. I like it better than standard. It's shorter than standard. And I like the slimness of it. I like the sleekness of it. So I'm just putting this here so you can see like what it would look like if I had it, you know, hooked in there. That's kind of like what it would look like. Okay. And of course, the biggest thing I didn't talk about that people love is the big giant back pocket that you could use for papers, full-size paper, folded in half. All right, folks, I hope you stay safe. I'm going to continue to get a couple of more things in my, while I'm here in my Airbnb. I have two more, I believe 2 more Appuntos coming in, but those are in my A6 size that I use as my wallet. I will be showing you that along with the setup for those. A lot of my things are packed away, but either way, I'm still gonna show you the reveal of them, okay? You guys have a great day. Thank you so much. Please like and subscribe.